Kasama ba yung meal sa barko or may bayad ba? How about the drinks? Unlimited ba? Para sa mga nagbabalak mag-cruise, panoorin niyo hanggang sa dulo kung ano ang mga binayaran namin. Hi mga ka-PG! Let's talk about our favorite part during the cruise, the food! We embarked afternoon so we had super late lunch. Hindi namin inabutan yung Windjammer buffet kaya no choice, pizza lang yung available that time, unlimited and no extra charge. Then we got hot dogs and sausages habang nakapkilis sa bumper cars. Options of classic American, all beef, pork, or chicken. Ganun din, complimentary and no limits. It's dinner time! This was my appetizer. Nag-look forward talaga ako dito sa escargot. Nag-order din ako ng crab cake. Then for my main course, I ordered New York strip with mashed potato. And the best part of the meal, I chose cheesecake. Yes mga ka-PG, dining room is included in the package. On our day 2, we went to Windjammer Buffet for breakfast dahil walang rice sa dining room at mas maraming options dito. They have carving station like smoked ham, they have pancakes, waffles, French toast, assorted pastries, lahat ng nakikita nyo unlimited. Pati itong customized omelette, want to sawa. Same day lunch, we went back to dining room. Smoked salmon salad, Atlantic cod, barbecue pulled pork burger, lamb pita na hindi naman namin in order. Basta nag-request kami to serve all together, not by sequence. Typical Filipino style. Tapos in-order namin lahat ng dessert, pero tagi-tigisa lang. Then nag-share kaming lahat. Nag-request din pala kami ng mixed berries para ma-experience nila mama. Syempre, dining room ulit for dinner. Bread muna while waiting sa appetizer. And a bottle of Moscato for the dress to impress night, formerly called formal night. Extra cost for the wine. Chinese style spare ribs and my favorite escargot. Para sa hindi po nakakaalam, suso ito na binig sa herb butter. Nag-French onion soup naman si Kulot. Ang sarap ng sauce ng shrimp. Walang kupas yung baked Alaska nila, masarap pa din. And the strawberry shortcake. Day 3, breakfast in dining room. Eggs Benedict with a side of bacon. Ito naman yung order nila. Sa labas nga pala kami nag-lunch and gabi na kami nakabalik ng barko. Sushi for my appetizer. Di ko masyado nagustuhan but the arancini was fine. Japanese beef steak with crispy garlic. Hindi ko palalagpasin yan. Lasagna naman kay daddy. Additional fee sa mga cocktails. Pero hindi kami nag-avail ng unlimited drinks package. Chocolate hazelnut topped with almonds. I let them experience the room service breakfast on our day 4. Complimentary kasi continental lang. Pero nag-second breakfast pa kami sa Cafe 270 instead of dining room. I got bagel with pesto cream cheese and smoked salmon. Ang gusto ko dito habang kumakain nakakapanood ng show and activities plus the 270-degree panoramic sea view through glass from floor to ceiling na katumbas ng 3 deck. Amazing! Bago kami nag-late lunch, nauna yung dessert nila mama. Bumili sila ng ice cream. Yes, extra pay, Hagen and Dazs eh. Sa Windjammer Buffet kami nag-lunch. Syempre, unang kinuha ko yung mga putok-batok. Make your own noodles. Pili ka lang ng mga gusto mong gulay, seafoods, and red meats. Tapos iluluto ng chef, then ikaw na maglalagay ng broth na gusto mo. Saka garnish and condiments. Yan ang mga kinain ko bago ako mag-medical. Last dinner on board, nag-parade sila. Shrimp and seafood cake for appetizer. Bumili kami ng 3 main lobster for our main course. Pero nag-order din kami ng ibang complimentary. Steam with herb butter, Chinese style spicy, and the fried one. Yes, we pay extra for these main lobsters. Para din matikman nila mama, mas mahal din kasi ito sa Pinas. By the way, meron din lobster night ang mga Royal Caribbean ships, mostly sa mga 7-day cruise or mas mahaba. Free of charge ang lobster tail sa formal night sa dining room. Minsan naman nasa linya ng Windjammer Buffet. But it depends on the itinerary and the length of cruise. Then we end our meal with tiramisu and another warm chocolate cake. Ito yung last meal namin on board before we disembark. Nabusog kami hanggang sa huling oras namin sa barko. Kaya sa mga iniisip pang meals na gustong mag-cruise, don't worry because you can eat for free all around the ship. Except in specialty restaurants if you want more elevated experience. But still, you have a lot of options. Buffet style, table service, cafeteria, even with your dietary restrictions and celebrations. We really enjoyed our cruise ship dining experience. Wow! Disclaimer, base ito sa aming panlasa and actual dining experience. Babalik pa ba kami? Yes! And that's it! Ciao!